Okay, these are the two pups. There's Hattie and there's Baloo. Hattie's 8 months and Baloo is 6 months. And then we have a 12-year-old who is mate. Oh, whoa, 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 Baloo, so slowly, sweetie. Hey, Annie. Annie Shmani. Hi, Babas. Is he driving you bonkers? I'm not surprised. Whoops. Hi, guys. Balushi. Shh. Hi, Annie Pet. These two always run out together. I mean, it's like the pair. The criminal pair. And they're the boys, Ace and Mate. Mate and Ace. Oh, look. Isn't that adorable? We have the teeniest. She's doing well. Hey, sweetheart. Guys. Oh, God. Baloo, be nice. Come, hot pat pat, hot patty, hot. Come here, kitty. Hot pet, hot pet. Everybody wants to eat. Munch, munch, munch. The hattie pet. I wonder what this blue thing is. It's such a cute little spot. Ow, no, no nibbles. Okay, so now look. Ouch. This is a stone. Finally, the sun came out. It's been pouring. So annoying. Hi, Hattie baby. Thank God you're staying because that way we can play in some dry ground. Hello, babas. Everyone's exploring. There we go again. Hello. 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 Oh, guys, you're thirsty, huh? Okay, hold on.